How to remove BFF on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove BFF on Snapchat, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So BFF, or better known as best friends or BF, and there are different types of BFFs, right? So if you want to remove someone from your best friends list, so basically you open up your Snapchat, you go to your profile page, you tap on the settings icon here, and then I will show you what each of these means. So you have friend emojis. So BFF is this appears near to your number one best friends, and also you're the number one best friend and at least 2 weeks in a row. So that is BFF. So it's a little bit different than your normal best friends, because best friends are only just the smiley icon, but BFF is someone who has the red heart icon, right? So if you're talking about removing them, first of all you have to understand how they were added in the first place. So it says appears next to your number one best friend when you're also the number one best friend for at least 2 weeks in a row. So Snapchat adds you to your best friends or BFF list when they notice that you're in a 2 weeks constant row of number one best friends on both of your accounts. So that's basically how it works. And so if you're talking about removing that person from your BFF list, you just have to make other person your BFF by frequently exchanging snaps, or you simply want to stop exchanging snaps with that person at all. So as I said, Snapchat notices the algorithm and put them to your own advantage. So now you have to simply use the algorithm and then make it your own benefit by simply stopping exchanging snaps with each other. You're going to remove that person from your BFF list. So hope this video helped you clear the confusion. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.